Hi, we are here at Giwanon Spring, now Bantay Spring. Pero mahalaga sila entrance. Grabe. Kailan na, 1 year dito sila. 1 day. With my beautiful wife and daughter. And of course me, the handsome husband. Here is my Mary daughter. Iil na po.
Ikaw may shark. Ikaw may shark. Next shark. Swim.
Lagi ambag basta di ko kita mo.
Ano ini float? Kala ko no. Kayo. Nana put heart. Nana put heart.
Kan bagi ipan mana video sa atong pagpan sa bumbo na nasa i-heart di oh. Ito.
Wala ang hagin siya uy. Oh, this is the entrance? How much?
Get your ticket.
100. Oh, I don't have money.
Do you have more expensive entrance? We want more expensive entrance.
It's okay, so it's for free?
Yes.
Where's my ticket? Thank you.
Next.
Next.
Next. Next.
Ang negosyo din ba ta?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Inita mi.
Now, what's your step? Follow me.
Follow me. Yes, ma'am.
Nakita ni Step Perla sa mga video ro na asam ni nagkonto ang Step Perla. Galaglaag.
Ay, glaag-glaag.
Ha? Ha? Yes.
You're in the exit na.
That's okay.
You're in the wrong way, Daday.
You can see the whole entire room up here.
Okay.
Is it nice?
Yeah. Very nice.
Let's go down.
Slowly, slowly.
Bye.
Bye.
Nasir,
Okay.
we are going right now.
In a Pirates of the Caribbean.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Ay, gunitin na naman ako na.
Arr.
Sinong R. Si...
Hinay ha. Iga. Gi na, gi. Init na kayo. Gi, mana.
Sige. Saya na nagkaugon.